This week I am testing Honda's brand new medium-sized SUV, the Honda ZR-V. Now this sits in their range in the middle between the smaller HR-V and the larger CR-V. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Honda ZR-V, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of both outer seats. They're nice and easy to access through the boot. And the top tether for the central seat is in the ceiling behind it and nice and easy to access. Now, I could fit 3 Infasecure child seats back here, which is fantastic news. I have got the Achieve More and Momentum More forward facing and the Infasecure Adapt More infant capsule rear facing behind the driver. And the lovely thing about the new ZR-V is the legroom. With the rear facing Adapt More capsule, we could fit a 186cm driver really nicely in front of it. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the HR-V is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a sippy cup fits in there too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad. And in the back of the central console box, there are 2 USB-C sockets, great for charging phones and iPads. The door bins are a good size in the back. They will hold a sippy cup, and they've got little handle wells too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box here, which are great for keeping passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving. There's also handles above both rear doors, which is great for hanging little kids' toys on to keep them entertained on the journey. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a phone charging pad, and there's a 12-volt socket there too. Underneath the central console here, there's a little shelf, and you've got 2 USB sockets there for charging. And the central console box is quite small but handy in the middle here. The glove box is a good size. That will hold my iPad with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins in the front are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's a little gap for your wallet as well. The media system in the Honda ZR-V is quite easy to use and to navigate. It's got, in the general settings, you can adapt things like the sound to however you like it, which is really handy when you've got kids. Also, in the vehicle settings, you can change things in here and set your own driving position and things like that, which is handy. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is great. When you put it into reverse, the camera images are really lovely and clear. You've got a couple of them to choose from as well. And you can turn the parking sensors, mute them easily with a button on the steering wheel. The boot door of the ZR-V opens with a press button and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 12 shopping bags, or a double pram and 1 shopping bag, or a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a small to medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infagroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 stroller. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 4 shopping bags, and the Jiffle Wagon holds up to 60 kilograms of cargo inside the wagon too. And the Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 5 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 4 shopping bags. And the Jiffle Wagon in full fold with bassinet fits with 6 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infagroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. This Honda ZR-V is a really lovely car to drive. It's really nice and smooth, and it's quiet. It does feel really good quality, which is great. Now this is the mid-spec. It is available as a hybrid in the top spec if you're after a hybrid. Now visibility is great in here too. You can see really nicely out of the back windscreen, even with those 3 Infasecure child seats in the back, and that top tether strap doesn't obscure the view too much either. Now the cameras are great in here, and the turning circle's really nice and small, so parking and manoeuvring in school and supermarket car parks is really nice and easy. It's a really lovely car for out on highways and open roads, as well as nice and nippy around town. So to sum up with the Honda ZR-V, it makes a fantastic baby drive for a family of 4 or 5. You can fit 3 Infasecure child seats really nicely across the back seats. The boot space is just big enough for a twin pram, and that Jiffer wagon fits nicely. The drive is good, it feels like a nice sturdy solid car on the road, and the media system and cameras are great too.